Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. So I feel like it's been forever since I have done a couponing 101 video. Y'all know I love these videos. I feel like they are the foundation of this channel. And today we are going to keep our couponing 101 education going. So today I figured it was the perfect day to talk about 5 off of 25 coupons. So today is Friday when I am filming this video. Tomorrow is Saturday, and this Saturday is going to be pretty special for us couponers because we're going to have a 5 off of 25 at Family Dollar going. We're going to have a 5 off of 25 at Dollar General going. And then we're also going to have a 5 off of 20 gain at Dollar General going. So I know there will be a lot of couponers in the streets tomorrow attempting to use all of those coupons, and a lot of new couponers out in the streets tomorrow attempting to use those coupons. And so I want to make sure that we have this conversation before tomorrow on how to properly use these coupons so that y'all are not sending me DMs with pictures of your receipts saying my 5 off of 25 did not come off. So we're going to talk all about 5 off of 25 today, how they work, how they don't work, how you can use paper coupons with your 5 off of 25, how you can use a 5 off of 25 with a 5 off of 20 gain. And we're also going to plan a trip together so y'all can see my mind frame when I am putting these deals together. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so let's start off by talking about what a 5 off of 25 is, because if you are brand new to couponing, you may not even understand what this coupon is. So a 5 off of 25 is a purchase-based discount that is being given to you free of charge by the store in the form of a digital coupon or sometimes even a paper coupon that you can add to a transaction that is $25 or more pre-tax before any other store coupons or discounts. Again, so it has to be $25 or more before any taxes are applied and before any other store coupons or discounts. So if you were going in and buying $24.95 worth of stuff, that is not going to be okay. Your $5 will not come off. You have to make sure, it's very important to see what that subtotal is. So that total before taxes, that is $25, and that no other store discounts have been applied to throw you below that $25 threshold. If it is more than $25, you will get $5 off instantly with that coupon. And then why this is so beautiful for us as couponers, because we can get that total from $25 to $20, and then we can add in all of our manufacturer coupons on top of that and bring our totals way, way low. So this is where the magic happens with these 5 off of 25s, because they give us a $5 head start as a couponer to get ahead of the game. Let's talk about which stores offer these purchase-based coupons. So actually a lot of stores offer 5 off of 25s. If you shopped at CVS enough years, you know they will send you a 5 off of 25. And even Walgreens has started doing a lot of purchase-based coupons. But the two stores that I want to focus on for the purposes of this video are Dollar General and Family Dollar, because these are the stores that offer them most often. Dollar General gives us this coupon on most Saturdays, not all Saturdays. There will be some Saturdays, and sometimes they'll go 2 Saturdays in a row where they won't give us this coupon. But on most Saturdays, this coupon will be available in the digital or paper form at Dollar General. And then Family Dollar has also started giving us this coupon very frequently, but they don't have a particular cadence that they offer the coupon. It really just kind of pops up when it pops up. I wish they would do it on a rhythm so I could keep up with it, but they don't. So you just have to check the Family Dollar app and website to see when it's available. So now let's talk about how you can get this coupon. So these coupons are really easy to get. All you have to do is create a Family Dollar account using the Family Dollar website or app, or create a Dollar General account using the Dollar General website or app. And then what you want to do is use the phone number that you used when you created that account at the register. There will be a keypad available. Enter that phone number at the register, and then once you have that 5 off of 25 coupon clipped, that $5 discount will come off automatically once you type in your phone number along with any other digital coupons that you have loaded to your account. I have a full video called Digital Couponing 101, so I'm not going to go into depth on this topic, but if you need to learn about just the basics of how to use and apply digital coupons, I will have a link to that video below. Something else I also wanted to mention that I get a question about a lot is when I see new couponers. I saw one on Facebook last night. She purchased like $105 worth of product, and then she only used 1 5 off of 25 and the rest of her manufacturer coupons, and she literally paid like $105 and only had like $70 in discounts. You guys, I know some of you guys are against this, but you have to create more than one digital coupon account if you plan on making big purchases like that. The reason being is because you need to break up and divide your transactions into smaller transactions, and you only get 1 5 off of 25 per digital coupon account. So what I do is I use my son's, I use my husband's phone number, I use my mom's phone number. Anybody who expects to come and shop in my stockpile for free, then y'all need to let me use your phone number. Leverage your friends and family who don't coupon so that you can get access to more than one account. And then if you're going to be buying $100 worth of product, that is 4 different transactions. So instantly you can save $20 before all of your manufacturer coupons instead of just saving $5. So definitely consider creating more than one account, using mom's phone number, dad's phone number, hubby's phone number, whoever's phone number you need to, but just don't get caught out here overpaying because it breaks my heart. So now let's talk about using our 5 off of 25 coupon with other store coupons or discounts. So this past week, if you watched my Family Dollar video, you saw that I purchased some soft soap body wash. And on that soft soap body wash, we had a $2 store coupon versus a manufacturer coupon available on the app. So when I was calculating my $25 transaction, I actually increased that transaction amount to $27 to account for $2 not being recognized in that transaction because the discount was a store discount or coupon. So I had to overshoot and change my transaction from 25 of a threshold to a $27 threshold because that store coupon wasn't going to give me any credit towards that $25 purchase. And that applies all the way across the board. So if you're at Dollar General and you are combining a 5 off of 20 gain and a 5 off of 25 purchase, you need to make sure to take both of those discounts in consideration. And for me, I like to overshoot. So when I combine both of those deals tomorrow, you will see that my total will actually probably be around $30 instead of $25, so I can accommodate for that extra $5 in discounts that is going to apply. Sometimes freaky things happen at the register and you don't have to overshoot, but I always overshoot just to keep it on the safe side because the truth of the matter is that those coupons are not set up to work together. If you look at the verbiage, the use of both together is prohibited. But when you use both of them together, as long as you typically calculate both of those discounts coming into play, so making sure that your total is still $25 after those store discounts are applied, they typically will work together and you can get some amazing discounts. But again, make sure that your total is still $25 after those discounts. At Dollar General, it's pretty easy to recognize when you're using a Dollar General store coupon because they have it in black, Dollar General store coupon. At Family Dollar, it's a little bit more tricky to recognize when a store coupon is being factored in. The way that I have learned to recognize when a store coupon is on the app versus a manufacturer coupon is actually looking at the terms and the verbiage on the coupon. So when you open up a manufacturer coupon on the Family Dollar app, it actually has manufacturer remittance information, so mailing information to a manufacturer in the fine print. If you open up a store coupon on the Family Dollar app, there is nothing there. It usually just says limit 1 per customer. So that's my key indicator that I'm working with a store coupon versus a manufacturer coupon, and that allows me to plan my transactions accordingly. Now let's talk about why sometimes the 5 off of 25 won't apply for you or won't work for you. I did something a couple months ago where I started asking you guys, anytime you would type to me, oh, my 5 off of 25 doesn't work, I started asking different people, send me a copy of your receipt if you paid for it. And I had quite a few of you guys send me a copy of your receipt. And every time I was able to spot instantly what happened and why your 5 off of 25 didn't apply. I was actually kind of debating whether I should put some of these receipts up on the screen, but I didn't want to embarrass anybody. So I'm not going to put them up on the screen, but I will walk through the different instances of what these people did and why their 5 off of 25 didn't apply. The main thing that I saw, especially at Family Dollar, is they weren't recognizing when a store coupon was coming into play. So we've had different store coupons, whether it be like the soft soap or the palm olive. We had a palm olive coupon at Family Dollar that was a store coupon that was throwing people's total under $25. So that $5 wasn't coming off. Or they simply weren't recognizing that something was ringing out on sale or on clearance. They had miscalculated to get to that $5 threshold. And again, it doesn't matter if you spent $24.99. If you are 1 penny under, you may need to add something at the register. And so I tell people all the time, do not enter in your phone number while the cashier is still scanning your items. Wait until they press that total button all the time. And the reason being is because I want you to get into the habit of checking your subtotal. So after they scan all of your items, ask that cashier, if you cannot already see it on the screen, what is my subtotal? What is my total before taxes? Because if that total is a penny under $25, your 5 off of 25 is not going to work. So please stop entering your phone number in ahead of time. Wait till they have everything scanned and see what that total is before discounts, because most times that is what's throwing you off, and that is why your 5 off of 25 is not working. So now let's talk about using paper coupons along with digital coupons and the 5 off of 25. To me, this is really, really easy to do, but it is different on how it works at Dollar General versus Family Dollar. It's a lot easier to do at Dollar General. If you're a brand new couponer, honestly, I would not even try to do this yet at Family Dollar until you get more comfortable couponing. But at Dollar General, you can do it. It's very, very easy. So all you want to do is calculate your $25 transaction just like you normally would. You want to calculate, your digital coupons that you have, and then you can just use your manufacturer coupons. If you watch my video, there are a lot of different, schools of thought on whether you should enter your phone number first or hand paper coupons first. I honestly don't even get caught up in all of that. If you watch my videos, you will see I go up to the register. She will scan all of my items. I will wait for her to hit total. I will make sure that my total is $25 before I enter in any coupons. I hand over my manufacturer coupons first. The reason I hand over my manufacturer coupons first is because my transaction usually goes smoother this way, because cashiers can kind of hate on you sometimes if they see all of your digital coupons come off and then they get a stack of paper coupons from you. They're like, oh, she's trying to get over using digitals and manufacturer coupons. I hand over all those paper coupons first, let them scan that, and then I politely say, let me put in my phone number. And I put my phone number in and let that total drop all the way down and let the cashier be looking like, whoa. That's how I prefer to do it. You will have some people who will tell you not to do it that way, because if you have the paper coupons, they'll bring your total below $25. I've never had any issues with it. That's the way I've always done it. You can do it whichever way works for you, but that's how easy it is. Just hand over your paper coupons, enter your phone number as normal at Dollar General. Now at Family Dollar, this is a little bit more tricky, and that is because Family Dollar paper coupons come off as store discounts. So when they scan it, even though you handed them a manufacturer coupon, it applies as a store discount. So it is going to reduce your total below $25. So what you have to do if you're going to use paper coupons at Family Dollar is you have to treat them like store coupons, and you have to make sure that your total is still $25 after those paper coupons come off. So it's really kind of a pain to do it that way. But if you have a deal that you want to get with paper coupons, you definitely can, but that's the way you have to do it. All right, y'all. So now let's go upstairs to my office real quick. I'm gonna log into one of my Dollar General accounts and I'm gonna show you how I just really quickly plan my 5 off of 25 trip for tomorrow, just so you can really just get a good understanding of how it all works and how it all comes together. So let's go up there real quick. All right, you guys, so now we're in my office and I am logged onto my Dollar General account. Now, this you do not have to do from a computer. You can definitely do it from mobile. I love doing it from the app. The app is really cool. They have a lot of new features on the Dollar General app along with the DG Go app that make it super easy to plan out your trips on your mobile device. But I'm doing it online today just so we can all see it together. But here I made sure I have my 5 off of 25 coupon clipped. This is so important, y'all. Clip this coupon. So many times the 5 off of 25 doesn't come off just simply because we forgot to clip it. So just make sure that you have your 5 off of 25 coupon clipped. I'm going through making sure that I have my other coupons clipped that I know I am going to use tomorrow. And then down here at the bottom, I can see the ones that I already have clipped onto my card. So I have a lot of good coupons already clipped. I got my Gain, my Tide Simply Pods. I got a Finish coupon there, a Leave, some big razors. And over on this side here, it will actually show me everything that I have clipped to my card. So let me show you a written breakdown of my plan for tomorrow. So this is everything that I plan to get. Let me tilt you guys so you guys can see this. I try to blow it up as big as possible. So for tomorrow, this is my game plan. So I'm going to do both coupons. I'm going to attempt to use the 5 off of 25 plus the 5 off of 20 Gain. So I have here all of the items that I'm going to buy in my 5 off of 20 Gain transaction: Gain Flings, Gain Fabric Softener Sheets, 2 of the Gain Scented Febreze Warmer Refills, and then 1 Gain Scented Swiffer Duster. That will bring that total to $20.45. In this same transaction, I'm going to add a bunch more items because I want to overshoot and get my total to $30 so that I can get both of those store discounts. So I'm going to add in a Tide Simply Pods, an Ajax dish liquid, and then 1 Aleve. Those items will bring my total to $30.40 before any coupons are applied. So I will scan all of those items, and then when she presses total, I will make sure that my subtotal is $30.40 like I've planned, and then I will enter in my phone number so all these digitals can come off. I plan on using the 5 off of 25 store coupon, the 5 off of 20 Gain coupon, $2 off Gain Flings, $2 off Gain Sheets, the 5 off of 2 Febreze, the $2 off 1 Swiffer, the $2 off 1 Tide Simply, and the $2 Ajax, and then I also have my $3 in Aleve. That is a total of $28 in digital coupons. So my total to pay should be $2.40 after all of those digital coupons are applied. Yes, $2.40. And if one of my 5 off of 20s does not work, I will easily be able to tell because my total will be $7.40 versus $2.40. So that is easy to tell once you calculate everything at the register. And truth be told, $7 would not be bad for all of these items because we're getting $30 worth of items, but I plan to pay $2.40 at the register. So that's my game plan, y'all. That is how you kind of put everything together. I hope this was helpful for you. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button if it was, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, because we do this educational stuff all the time. I just don't like to show you the deals. I like to teach you about them as well. So again, I thank y'all so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button. And as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.